Hello everybody, welcome to the Leaf Hydroponic Farms. We are presently into an area where we grow the cabbages, the green cabbage and the red cabbage. Many people say that the cabbages cannot be grown in NFTs. Friends, this cabbage is growing in NFT and today it is 2 months old. Heads are also already started closing if you look at very carefully. The plant spacing is 1 feet to 15 inches. The length of the NFT channel is 40 feet and there are about 30 plants in a single row. The plants are into NFT cups and the plant is also supported by the leca around them, so that because it's a heavy crop, so you need to support this with leca. But if you look at these plants, not sprayed with any insecticide and any pesticide, no fertilizer spray, nothing. Whatever is coming to these plants, it is coming through the nutrient solution. And look at the size of the leaf which you are getting here. The heads in a 90-day crop, when they will be created, ready to be harvested, they will be about 500 to 750 grams each, which is perfectly all right. One thing about the cabbage grown into NFT system is, if you have read recently an article in one of the periodicals that the tapeworm cysts have attained an epidemic status in Bharat or India, and this happens because the cabbage is grown in soil, mostly with farmyard manure. Even those who claim that they grow organic cabbage, they also grow it in farmyard manure. And unless and until the farmyard is is sterilized or the soil is sterilized, there is a possibility of tapeworm cyst existing in the farmyard manure, because lot of fecal matter of the dogs, of the pigs, of the cattle and other farm animals go into the farmyard manure. When there is a rain, there is a splash. With that splash on the soil, the cysts are lifted or the eggs are lifted up and lodge onto the leaves of the cabbage or the lettuce or any green. Many a time bacteria also, they get lodged onto this. With the closure of the head, they are trapped. And once an egg or a cyst is trapped into the cabbage head, red cabbage, green cabbage or iceberg lettuce, or for that matter any green which you eat, once it is caught onto that, it can survive cooking very well, because that is a device of the nature to make the cysts tide over the adverse conditions. You eat it, goes into your stomach, hatches, pierces through the intestine into your bloodstream, goes into the lungs, goes into the bloodstream and can settle anywhere in your body. It can settle in kidney, spleen, liver, brain. One of our top tennis player, he got one of the cysts into his brain and had to go to US for his treatment. But one thing I can assure, that if there is a cabbage, red, green or lettuce or any green for that matter is grown in hydroponics in NFT, well above the soil, almost 2 feet or 2.5 feet above the soil, with the soil completely covered with a weed mat. There is no soil visible. One thing you can be assured of, that this cabbage is free from any contamination coming from farmyard manure. The contamination of E. coli, the contamination of tapeworm cysts, the contamination of many helminth cysts, roundworm, pinworm and many things. So you can comfortably eat it as a green salad, enjoy it, or you can cook it, or you can eat absolutely raw. These are spotless. There is no insect, there is no leaf miner, there is no whitefly, because it all depends on your management practices. How you manage your greens in the greenhouse. If you follow proper hygienic system in your greenhouse, regulate the entry into the greenhouse, use insect traps very well, then you don't need to spray the insecticides or the pesticides. And many experts, when I showed them this video, they were very much surprised to see a wonderful cabbage and a red cabbage, and for that matter, the broccoli. The size of the broccoli plant is unimaginable. I'll put a separate video on broccoli to show you how broccoli grows in the NFT channels. Friends, agriculture is no longer growing something into the soil. मिट्टी नाल मिट्टी होना, मिट्टी के साथ मिट्टी होना, to farmers live in soil, live in earth, is an old concept. Now, why hydroponics? Cabbage can be grown in the soil. One reason I have told you. Second reason is this particular section is 4 feet wide and 40 feet long. In a 4 feet wide and 40 feet long section, there are 180 plants of cabbage and growing very well. Why you need spacing in the soil? Because every plant draws its nutrient from a particular space, and here the nutrients go to every plant. So there is no need of spacing unless and until space become a limit for the size of the plant. So very high density of plant you can have in hydroponics, and you can have a good harvest, then multiple harvests. You have controlled environment to some extent, where you provide safety from the frost, you provide safety from rain, you provide safety from hail, storm, or strong winds. When you provide so much safety from insect and pest attack, then certainly the crop grown will be healthy and the plants will be comfortable. The food produced will be a wonderful product. Let us adopt these systems to grow food in the world, because growing food inside in protected environment hydroponically is the future of agriculture. We will keep on disseminating this knowledge to you. We will keep on disseminating the science behind hydroponics to you, and we are sure that you will benefit out of it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to share it, like it, and also subscribe to our channel to know more about the hydroponic cultivation of food. Thank you very much.